Our company follows a very definite cycle after the order. It's called the OTR cycle, and it's grouped under the following headings: finance, site preparation, shipping and logistics, installation, applications, and then a warranty and post-warranty service. So the finance component of the OTR cycle is a fairly important one. It takes time to organize and to generate. Usually it's how you're going to pay, the timing of that particular payment, but what takes the time is letters of credit and any bank documentation that's associated with that. So site preparation is the most important part of your order. Fitting the machine in technically requires drawing, it requires planning. We have to plan power, we have to plan lighting, we have to plan air conditioning. But the most important thing is, does it make sense clinically? So the next important part of the process is shipping and logistics. Remember that it comes from the other side of the world. It's shipped by sea in a container. It's sometimes shipped by air, but usually the balance of it is by road. Shipping takes time. Once it's in the country, customs clearance and documentation are important. If we do an on-site delivery, you sometimes need rigging and cranes, and often we need special tools. But from your side, we need ample space to offload. And now the fun part for engineers, the installation. Mostly done in 3 phases: mechanical, electrical, and that final calibration to perfect the image. But from you, we need a dust-free site. We need a secure site, and we need the facility, power, and aircon to be in place so that we can do our job. Clinical applications training is important for that quality image. Training your staff is critical. Selecting the best staff for training is important because machine parameters are often changed to produce the best image. Directly after installation and commissioning is the warranty phase. Remembering that there are exclusions to warranties. Power outages, staff negligence, these are examples of such exclusions. Sometimes we can sort this out by remote service, sometimes on-site intervention. But remember that there's always logistics for parts and service engineers to get to site. And finally, post-warranty service. The uptime of your machine is critical. There's a cost to engineers, either by remote intervention or on-site. There might be parts involved. All of this requires logistical clearance and forwarding to site. It might be best to think service level agreement. In future videos, we'll have more in-depth discussion to help you improve the quality of your healthcare.